Hey everyone, sorry I'm a little late to the party, but here is my take on the KBD67 Lite. As many have covered already, the KBD67 Lite is a budget 65% keyboard kit from KBDFans, and it basically comes with everything that you need besides switches and keycaps, including a carrying case. So I'll quickly go over what is included in the package. The kit includes their own version of pre-clipped stabilizers, which are surprisingly decent, especially considering that they're included for free. You'll also find a landline style coiled cable and a pre-cut case foam made of Poron. You'll also find a PC plate, hot swap PCB, and this piece of silicone. And this silicone is important because it acts as a gasket mounting mechanism for a bouncier typing feel. And for the case, I went with the white option, and it basically looks like the KBD67 Mark II, just without the brass weight. And I gotta say, I was impressed with the finish quality, especially considering the price once again. However, as the case is made from ABS plastic, you definitely don't get the premium feeling that you get from an aluminum case. It actually kind of threw me off how light it was. Before we start putting this together, you can see me testing the PCB just simply by flipping it over and using a pair of tweezers. Once the testing was done, I opted in to use the included stabilizer pads, which are basically little stickers that go on the PCB where the stabilizer feet would be hitting the PCB. As I mentioned, the R2 unit that I had came with pre-clipped KBDFans screw-in stabilizers, so I didn't need to clip them like I did with the R1 cherry screw-ins. So I quickly tuned the stabilizers with dielectric grease on wires and 205G0 on the housing, and I was able to get them sound relatively nice with minimal effort. In terms of assembly order, it goes PCB, silicone layer, and then the PC plate. And as you can see, I omitted using the standoffs, as I typically don't like the sound inconsistency coming from plate standoffs. I wanted this build to have maximum thockiness, so we're going to go with some lubed and filmed lilac linears from Canon Keys. And to piece everything together, you basically just need to sandwich the PCB assembly between the top and bottom case. To do so, you just need to assemble it using the 8 screws around the case. And if you like a more muted and less hollow sound, make sure you use the included case foam to reduce the hollowness. To quickly sum it up, I think the KBD67 Lite is an incredible value, especially if you like a deeper sound signature and don't mind the lighter plastic case. And with KBDFans offering lots of upgrade options for the case, like their anodized aluminum case and the polished mirror-like case, it can definitely serve as a great stepping stone if you're just getting into the hobby. For the sound test, I'm going to quickly top the board off with some EPBT black on whites and a special little artisan from our friend over at Keys and Caps. Okay, enough talking. Here is my 3-month overdue sound test of the KBD67 Lite.